BWXT has opened a new facility designed to rebuild America's uranium enrichment capabilities. The company launched its Centrifuge manufacturing development facility at the Horizon Center, once again putting former DOE land to use. It's a key part of a $1.5 billion contract with NNSA aimed at securing enriched uranium for defense needs. The timeline was fast. Crews broke ground last June and had the facility up and running in just 7 months. Inside, teams are designing, building, and testing advanced gas centrifuges.
So we have a very focused niche in the whole nuclear cycle, right? And it focuses primarily on defense fuels. So BWXT's largest mission is supporting naval reactors. So this fits right into that. That's why we have such an invested stake in its success. This enrichment technology will be used to ultimately make the uranium that we need to make the Navy nuclear fuel.
The centrifuges will be built and tested here in Oak Ridge before heading to BWXT's Irwin plant for production. And this is just the start. Plans are already in place to expand in Oak Ridge, with the new manufacturing facility expected next door.